We are going to be learning how to construct a scalene triangle, and scalene triangles has all three sides and all three angles being unequal, and this method is using constructing given the length of all three sides, right? And it's basically three easy steps. If you have watched my video on how to construct equilateral triangle and an isosceles triangle, this one should be fairly simple in following. So let's just go to a line command, and we are going to start with line AB, which is a horizontal line. So my start point is here, and we'll turn on ortho mode, and I'm just going to type a distance of 279 units as shown in the example, and I'll press escape and just zoom in a bit. And right, so from point A we have to locate point C to finish our triangle. We need 124 units from A, and we need 200 units from B. So we are going to go to the arc tool, ensure that you have center, start, end, and I'm going to select center, and point A is my center, and I'm going to scribe in an anti-clockwise direction. So I'm going to start somewhere here and type in my unit of 124, enter. Let me just remember to turn this off, auto mode, when you're scribing, and I'll stop here, and I'm going to repeat the arc tool from point B, and we are going to type in a distance of 200, enter. Again, we'll move in an anti-clockwise direction, and I'll just stop it there. And all we need to do to complete this triangle is to go to the line tool and draw a line from A, go into point C, which is the intersection. So you select intersection there and the end point here, and that is the completion of our isosceles triangle based on the measurements given and the method that we have followed. Now you have to ensure that intersection is on in your object snaps, right? So it's tick right here, and again, just to highlight these lines, and you can change the line thickness real quickly by going to properties tab and going to line weight, just to change the line weight of your outline. To do the labelings on the dimensioning, I am not going to do that now, just refer to the earlier videos. Thanks for watching.